Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: app installed, mic and file access allowed, and a clip source chosen. Open Quran Clip Helper, pick Arabic or transliteration mode, then select a source, YouTube, local MP3, or URL. Set the clip boundaries in seconds so you capture exactly what you need. Once done, preview the short segment to confirm timing, and make sure automatic normalization is enabled so audio levels and pauses are consistent before moving on to editing. You now perform the core editing. Use waveform zoom to trim precisely and snap to word markers for clean starts. Apply noise reduction and normalize levels to about -3 dB so playback is even across devices, and add a subtle fade-in or fade-out to avoid clicks. Tag the clip with surah, verse, and transliteration. Once tagged, add timestamps and an optional ambient background track at low volume so the voice remains clear. Make sure to save incremental drafts as you refine. You finish by exporting the clip in MP3 or MP4 format, choosing a bitrate like 128 or 320 kbps, and embedding metadata for easy search. Once exported, share via generated link, save to cloud, or copy to clipboard, and set the privacy flag to public or private as needed. If the clip stutters or has sync issues, rerun normalization, check for clipping, and switch the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.